KKJ चॅनलांतो सर्वांके नमस्कार. व्हिडिओज लाईक कराय, शेअर कराय आणि बेल आयकन प्रेस करून सबस्क्राईब कराय. Rontoso आणि Dalithoy. This is an all-time favorite breakfast dish of GSBs. Usually, this is mainly prepared by GSBs in and around Kochi, Kerala. These fluffy rice puris are had in combination with the trademark dish of the GSBs, the Dalithoy. To make the special Dalithoy, take about half cup of tur dal and peel and chop one medium-sized potato. Wash the dal and add water to pressure cook. Also add the chopped potatoes and 3 slit green chilies. Pressure cook until well cooked. Take about 2 cups of rice flour. The flour should be very fine. Add quarter teaspoon of salt and add hot water to knead the dough. Mix well with a spoon, and when a little cooler, knead well with hands to a soft, smooth dough. Add about 1 teaspoon of oil and knead again. Keep aside for a few minutes. While the dal is cooking, make the seasoning for the Dalithoy. Heat some coconut oil, splatter 1 teaspoon mustard, then add 1 teaspoon jeera, 1 broken red chili, and some curry leaves. Keep aside. Make small lemon-sized balls with the dough. Grease a plastic sheet with oil. Dip the rice ball in a little oil and place it on the plastic sheet. Cover it like this. Then, with the help of a heavy object, place it on the sheet and press. Now you get a round-shaped puri. You can also use a greased chapati maker for this. See that the puri is quite thick. It should not at all be thin, as it will not fluff up and will drink oil. You may place the puris on a greased plate or use directly from the plastic sheet. When the oil in the kadai is quite hot, keep flame in medium and drop the puri. As it rises up, keep pushing it down so that it puffs up fully. Flip and fry for a few more seconds. And then remove from the oil. Do likewise with the rest of the dough. When the pressure eases, check that the dal has cooked well. Lightly mash and add some water. consistency thick. Add salt and bring to a boil. Transfer to a bowl and add the seasoning. You may also garnish with some coriander leaves. Now serve the Rontoso along with the hot Dalithoy. Do try out this delicious breakfast and do let me know if you liked it. For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.